takeoff on it.
Watch people skits on
Hauling the mail coming down, you scared the crap out of me.
Like that, get the hell out of the way. There's a toby truck coming wide open. You know.
Look, I knew now.
How do we look compared to everybody else? Don't do that.
That line actually was faster.
We're all done, baby. That's right. Cody, good job. Sorry I checked up a little bit.
Justin Bean Smith and Cameron Steele getting interviewed by Surf Rat.
before the head explodes.